Let me take a case study on Pert CPM. A small project has the following details. Here the activities A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I are given, and the predecessors means the activity which occurs before are taken. A is the first activity, there is no activity before it. The happening of B will be done only after A, and C will be done only after A, and D will happen after A and C occurs, and E will happen after B occurs, and F will happen after D, E occurs. In the same way, here the estimated times are given. Optimistic time and pessimistic time and likely time are given. That is the time of the activities in days. And here we are given to draw the network diagram and compute the expected completion time of the project. For drawing the network diagram, we will start with the nodes 1 and 2 on which A is taken. We will be taking two nodes 1 and 2 on which the activity A is taken. Here B and C happens after A. So I am considering B and C on these nodes from 2 to 3 and 2 to 4. After this, if I see what is happening is from A and C are the activities which are happening before D. From A and C, from both D is happening. We cannot give a single line for a node from 2 to 5 and from 4 to 5 because these A and C are happening before D. So what I am doing is I am taking a node 5 from 2 to 5 which is D, and I am considering a dummy node D dash and that is taken from 4 to 5. After this is happened, and there is B after E activity is being done, means after B, E is happening. So I am considering 6 and joining these two. And after this D and E, F is happening. So after D and E, F is happening. So after these two, we have to draw something F. But here what is given is from E and F also, from E and F also, from both G is happening, and from E and F also H is happening. So we will join these two, and from these two we are having the nodes 6 to 7 and 6 to 8. After this, I am considering from 7 to 9 and 8 to 9. Why I am considering like this is from G and H. See, G and H are happening after E, F only. So after E and F only, G and H are happening. But after G and H happening, I is happening. Means I means from these two we cannot get a single node. So we are having a single node with two lines. One is taken as the I and the other is taken as the dummy I dash. Right. For writing the values, I am considering a table in which the activities are being taken and optimistic time and most likely and pessimistic time are taken, and mean duration is calculated by T0 plus this is T0, Tm and Tp. Means T0 plus 4Tm plus Tp by 6 means I am taking these and using this formula I am getting these values. After getting this, I will be calculating the variance. For calculating the variance, I am taking Tp minus T0 by 6 whole square, and I will be getting these values. And if I see now, let me take the critical path. To have a critical path, what I will do is I will be considering first here it is the least completion time and early start time. For writing the early start time, for here it is 0. And here the mean average what I am getting here is 7 and 21. All these values I got here as the mean duration. Those mean duration values I will be taking, and those I will be writing here. means for A the mean duration is 7, and for B as there is a single node, what I do is I add 21 to 7 and I will be writing it as 28. I will be writing it as 28. And next I will take the third one, that is from 2 to 3 on C. That is again what is there is 14 plus 7 is 21. And I will move to the next for the next I will be take, there are 3 lines here. So I will take for the 5 node, I will be taking the maximum of 28 plus 0, as it is dummy, its mean value is taken as 0, and here 28 plus 0 is 28, and 7 plus 2 is 9, and 14 plus 21 plus 0, 21 plus 0 is 21. Among these 3 it is 28, so I will be taking here as 28, and again 28 plus 14, and 28 plus 4, 28 plus 14.5 is more, so I will be taking the maximum value as 42.5, and after this I will be taking plus 5 and write here, and plus 4 and I will be writing here. Again I will be considering the maximum of this, what I am going to add here. The maximum value here it is 47.5, and here it is 48.67, so the lower value is 48.67. After this is done, I will backtrace the steps. For backtracing the steps, I will be writing the least completion time, that is this time will be taken as the least completion time.